Good morning students, welcome back to English literature class. I hope you all have completed the last poem of our syllabus, and I hope you all have come to know that we have completed all the lessons and poem of our English 1 subject. Now we are going to do and complete our worksheets. As you all know, we have completed 2 worksheets. Now we are going to complete our other worksheets. So today we will complete worksheet 3 and 4. As the worksheets are small, we will do it together. Okay? So students, remove page number 69 in your canopy term book and let us start our worksheet 3, and the name of the worksheet is An Excellent Idea. Let us read. The people of Chelm decided to build a new fountain in the center of their town. So there was a town named Chelm, and the people of Chelm decided to build a new fountain. Fountain means from where the water flows and from where the water comes. We have seen many fountains in many parks and many resorts. So the people have decided to build a fountain in the center of a town, and the name of the town is Chelm. They needed big stones for this. To build a fountain, what they needed? They needed big stones to build a fountain. So the 7 elders of Chelm instructed some strong young men to go up the mountain and bring down some stones. So as we have studied further, there were 7 leaders of the town Chelm. So the leaders instructed some young boys, the young boys who were strong and who could carry and bring the stone. So they told them to bring the stones from the mountain. To build what? To build a fountain. The young man reached the mountain top. So the young man went to the mountain's top. Why they went to the mountain's top? They went to the mountain's top to bring rocks. They lifted a large stone from the ground and put it on their shoulders. So they bought a large stone, and where they put it on their shoulders. Okay, there were 3 young men. As you can look in the picture, there were 3 young men, and they went to the mountain to bring a stone, and they bought a large stone, and where they put it the stone, they put it on their shoulders. The stone was very heavy. So as the stone was very big, it was very heavy. It was very difficult for them to carry. The young men almost fell trying to lift it. They were trying to lift it, like they all were trying to somehow manage the weight of the stone, because it was a very heavy stone. So they were managing to carry the stone. They carried the stone back to the Chelm with lot of difficulty. So they took the stone to the Chelm facing lot of difficulty, because the stone was very heavy and it was getting very hard for them to carry. So somehow they managed to take the stone to the Chelm. It was a tearing walk. All the men were sweating and their arms and feet hurt terribly. It was a tearing walk. It means it was a very difficult walk. All the men were sweating. They all were sweating, and their arms and feet hurt terribly. So they were carrying the stone. So their arms started paining and their feet also started paining, and because of the weight, their whole body started hurting. Turn the page. When they finally arrived in town, the policeman yelled at them, "Foolish men, why didn't you just roll the stone down the mountain instead of carrying it? It would have been much easier." So when they entered the town, there was one policeman. The policeman shouted on the young man. Okay, and what he said, that foolish. The policeman said to the young man that you all are foolish. Instead of carrying the stone, you should have, instead of carrying the stone on your shoulder, you should have rolled the stone from the mountain. So that you don't have to carry it, right? So what the policeman said, that it would be much easier, that you are taking this much of pain, so instead of that you must have rolled the stone down from the market, from the mountain. The young man agreed that this was an excellent idea. So the young man told yes, and what they thought, that it was an excellent idea. Why had they not thought of it themselves? They then thought that why didn't we think like this? Instead of carrying it, why didn't we got the idea of rolling it down? They had been silly to carry the stone down. So they themselves are telling that we are silly that we took the stone on our shoulders and we came all the way down. So they turned around, carried the stone back up the mountain and rolled it down this time. So after keeping one stone, they again went back to the mountain, and then this time they rolled the stone down the market. So it is a very short worksheet, and the policeman giving this idea, so they thought that it was an excellent idea. So the name of the worksheet is given as an excellent idea. I hope you have understood this lesson, and the exercise I am giving you, you have to write in your Canopy term books, not in your fair books. Worksheets exercise you have to write in your Canopy term books. Okay, thank you.